Hey Paradise Pixies, I have a special guest with me today. We have not collabed in forever. This is my sister, SHA-DEANA Z. We are going to be washing our hair, braiding and banding. This is our second Microloc retie, and we have to braid and band, we have to wash, let it dry, and then our lock appointment is tomorrow. So make sure that you click her link down in the description box and subscribe to her channel. Yes, SHA-DEANA Z. So this is our hair, and we are about 3 months in, 3 months, and this is what it looks like. I love them so much, but I'm ready for them to start locking and maturing. Yes, because the little baby stage is cute, but I'm ready for them to lock. We need some hang time. But if you are not familiar and you have sister locks or Microlocs, we have Microlocs. If you have sister locks or Microlocs, within the first year, you have to braid and band, because if you don't, then you can get a lot of bunching. Bunching is when your locks have like big, not really knots, but like big swelling areas in random parts of your hair. Also your ends, if you've seen sister locks and Microlocs with like bigger ends and they're heavy, probably because that person didn't braid and band, or they don't braid and band. Some people still have to braid and band well even after a year. It just depends on how fast your hair locks. So braid and band, we're about to show y'all how to braid and band, and it's really easy. You just braid your hair, you leave enough space at the root so that you can wash your scalp, and you braid all the way to the end, fold the ends in, and you just put like a little hair tie, rubber band, or scrunchie on it, and that's it. Let the hair dry, because if you take it loose while it's still wet, it can cause lock swelling. And if you want your locks to remain like a uniform type of look, like all the same size, braid and band your hair. So yep, we're about to get into the video. So braid and band. Y'all, we got all these rubber bands, and we're about to braid and band. Okay. And we are looking in different locations because we got like 3 different devices. Yeah, baby, we got 3 different cameras rolling, so. Okay. All right, so take these loose. Start taking our hair down. Oh, yeah. Let's see this disrespectful shrinkage. Look like Shirley Temple. Is it giving Shirley Temple? It's giving something. Oh my God. All right, so middle part is what I'm doing, straight down the middle. And then just start some over here, some over here. All right, so you say you're gonna start in the middle and just go. Yep, and then I'm gonna start like this. What? Your shrinkage do not play. Don't do that. I already showed them. I said, look at this, y'all. Look at this. You see how disrespectful my shrinkage is? It just, look at this. Great. Look at, no, for real, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Look. See that? Yeah. Yeah. I just deal with it. Okay. So straight down the middle, and then pull out like this here, and then yeah, because our edges are like definitely edging. They so little. Right? Our edges are so little. So, child, I don't know. I'm just gonna do it. Yeah, just loosely braid. So. Stop at the end, and then you take it and just fold it up, and then you take it, fold it up, and then we're gonna take a rubber band, make sure they're around the same length, and this is what you braid together. Cause y'all see all of that right there, that's so short. So I'm gonna braid all of these together. I'm about to braid all of these together. Okay, stick it through like this. It's enough space for fingers, and you braid, stop towards the end, fold it up, and just put the rubber band on. All right, so we finna be walking around with our little Cynthia braids tomorrow at our appointment. Or no, we take them down.
Yeah, because it'll take like
an
additional 30 minutes to take this down.
We are almost done. She is twisting a lot faster than I am because I got all of these left and I'm actually feeling it, y'all. And y'all, like, we almost done. So she twisting a lot slower and I need her to speed up. She said she's feeling it a lot more. I ain't feeling it yet, but baby, I already know when I have to scrub, I'm gonna feel it. But what I look like, do I look like a moose or what? Like, Cynthia, she's a really cool dancer. Cynthia, look into the group now. Like, you know? Or is it giving by Felicia? And for y'all who retie your own micro and sister locks, yeah. Y'all are strong because y'all got it. We got too many locks. I can't even picture myself right now going piece by piece and just retying. What I got two more I'm finna braid in the back. Somebody come get her because she's saying complaining, talking about it's taking forever to wash her hair. I mean, she's talking about it's taking forever for her to braid and band her hair. If she don't come on, I'm done. Like, I'm sitting here looking like Felicia, not Felicia. Like, if y'all don't tell this girl to come on, like, why my hair look like parentheses? Like, tell this girl to come on, because she look like, I don't know.
Yo,
she look like a moose, and my hair look like
my neck and my arms are tired. Like, I didn't even make that many braids. Like, it's taking forever. If y'all ever watched SpongeBob and y'all seen that episode and it was like, are you feeling it, Mr. Krabs? I'm feeling it. Is this one more or two? What does it look like, y'all? Two?
Girl.
I feel like two. I think it's two or one.
Baby, that is one. If you don't make it one.
But it feel like two though. See?
Go ahead, make it two. Because I know I did.
Yep. Sat here and running all these locks and now I'm feeling it. It's only when it comes to the retie day. Other than that, they are very, very low maintenance. You don't have to do nothing to them. It's just that one time you gotta wash and prep your hair and sit in the chair some hours to get a retie. Or if you do them your own, it may take all day or 2 or 3 days to do a retie. That's the only thing that I say is like a huge con to tying locks. It's just the retie day.
All right, y'all. So we done. She finally got done.
Finally, I'm ready to wash.
Yeah, we're ready to wash.
360.
I'm gonna show y'all.
This is what our hair looks like.
All right, time to go wash.
Yeah, it's time to wash.
Okay, so I'm gonna try my best to get this angle for y'all, but I'm going to wash and just use like my shower head. So I'm gonna repeat this maybe another 3 to 4 times. Wash it, wet it, scrub it, go through, repeat like 4 times, and then I will be done.
You know, it's like a few little ones, but so I am going to take the towel and go like this because my hair needs to dry overnight. It needs to dry overnight, and I need to go to sleep. I heard that braiding and banding is really good when you let your hair dry completely because it stops your locks from swelling and slipping and getting bunching. So if you have Microlocs, sister locks, please braid and band at least within the first year until you notice that your hair is actually starting to lock up. I've heard some people who still braid and band and they're like way over a year and it just works for them. But yeah, my hair is damp. So I'm gonna take the towel in my fingers like this and kind of like this to my scalp. But my locks are still intact because I braided them. They would probably come loose if I did not braid them. But like I was saying earlier, if you have interlocks or braids the way you started, they're a lot more secure than 2-strand twists. But that's gonna be all. I have another special guest today. My niece. Say hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Zaria.
Azaria.
Kitty.
Huh?
The mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy, what?
Okay, so today I'm going to be taking down my braid and band from last night. I washed my hair last night and my hair has dried in my braids for about 12 hours. So my lock appointment is in a couple hours. So I'm about to just take these down and see how dry my hair is. So my hair feels pretty dry, which is good. But when you braid and band, you want to make sure your hair dries in the braid because it keeps your hair from swelling, unraveling, and slipping and bunching.
Hi guys.
I have about 3, 6, 7, I just counted 7 rubber bands. So I have about 7 braids so far. I don't even know how many I originally did. So if that was 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, I think, yep, 19. Wow, I did 19. I thought I only did around like 12. So my hair does still look intact. It's just shrinkage and frizz, and y'all, I'm so ready for my hair to lock up. That's all. I am just so ready for my hair to lock up. And this is very different for me because my first 2 previous sets of locks, I had instant locks. So just by listening to the word, they're instant. You just basically take a crochet needle hook and you back comb and twirl the hair into a lock. So you don't really have to worry about coils or 2-strand twists with that method. Your hair already is in the form of a lock. Instant locks is basically like the interlocking method for traditional locks, because with interlocking you have your locks are already basically intact and they are already kind of formed and look like locks. But I have to go through the whole process of my hair locking. My hair had to go through the process of locking before, but I didn't have to worry about unraveling. I didn't have to worry about coils locking up or twist locking up. I just had instant locks that went through the locking phase. Yeah, this, even just taking down the braids take long. Just taking down the braids. I had 19, and you would think that wouldn't take so long, but it does. This is what my hair looks like after the wash and braiding and banding. My shrinkage right here, it's like armpit length, but you can't even tell. Or like, no, it's not collarbone. Yeah, it's about armpit length, which is right there. So there's 4 more left. See what I'm talking about? It takes so long, y'all. It takes so long. Okay, so I got all 19 of the braids out that I had when I washed my hair. And this is my hair. I know it probably has like a middle part going through the middle, but it'll go away. But this is my hair. Y'all, I love my locks so much. I'm just like, I keep saying I'm ready for them to drop, like drop, I don't even care about the length. I'm talking about drop as far as like they aren't shrinking anymore and they actually look like locks, because my hair is cute, but it just looks like a little cute curly fro right now. And I'm just ready for them to actually look like locks. I can't wait. I wonder what my hair is gonna look like at my 1 year mark. But yep, this is my hair. I'm gonna leave it just like this, and I'm just gonna go to my lock appointment. But yeah, it's gonna take a while, because as you can see, I have a lot of locks. All right, well, I'll see you at the appointment, Pixies.
셋별